Okay, here I want to talk about projections of straight lines. Projections of straight lines as it is written here. All right, when we talk about projections of straight lines, it has to do with the construction of the front view, the top view, and the end view of a straight line. I said projections of straight lines have to do with the construction of the front view, the top view, and the end view of a straight line. I will come back to that later. In one of the videos that I've made, I talked about the principal planes of projection. The principal planes of projection. There, I talked about two major planes that we usually use for the construction of orthographic views. And the two planes that I talk about there are vertical plane and horizontal plane. Vertical plane and horizontal plane. And there also, I also said that there are other planes that we do use for the drawing of the two-dimensional shapes of an object. I said we have auxiliary inclined plane and auxiliary vertical plane. But for the work that we want to do here, we want to make use of the vertical plane and horizontal plane. So here we have case 1 here. And in this case 1, we have a straight line AB. This straight line AB, it is parallel to both planes. This straight line AB is parallel to both the vertical plane and horizontal plane. This is the vertical plane and this is horizontal plane. So this straight line AB is parallel to both of them. Now, listen to this important information. When a straight line is parallel to a plane, when we project the view, front view or top view of that line onto that plane to which it is parallel, whatever we get on that plane to which the line is parallel will be the true length of that line. Or let me say it this way. A line will have its true length on the plane to which it is parallel. So as this line AB is parallel to the vertical plane and horizontal plane, so if I'm looking at line AB in this direction, if this is the front view and I'm looking at this line in this direction, the front view of line AB will be projected on this vertical plane. And if I'm looking at it in this direction, the top view of line AB will be drawn on the horizontal plane. Now, for me to draw the front view of line AB, from this point here, I will draw a line from here. From this point, I will draw a line as this line goes like this. So you touch this point on the vertical plane. Then from this point B here, I will also draw a line and you touch this point on the vertical plane. So this point here is called A prime and this point is called B prime. So by joining this point A prime, B prime together, I will have a straight line, and this straight line will be equal to, in length, it will be equal in length, this line A prime, B prime will be equal in length to line AB. Because the reason is that line AB is parallel to the vertical plane. So that's why this line A prime, B prime is equal to line AB. So, and this line A prime, B prime is the front view of line AB, and then it is also the true length of line AB because line AB is parallel to the vertical plane. Now, let's come to the horizontal plane. That is for the top view. If I project a line from this point down to this point on the horizontal plane, and I project a line from this point down to this point on the horizontal plane. This point is point A and this point is point B. So if I join this point A and this point B together with a straight line, I will have the top view of line AB. And this line AB on the horizontal plane is equal in length to line AB, this line AB. And also this line AB is also the true length of line AB here, because this line AB is parallel to the horizontal plane. So it is the true length of line AB that we have here. So take note of what I said. Now, this is the pictorial view, and what we have here is the orthographic view. So in this orthographic view, we have line XY, as we have line XY here that separate the vertical plane from horizontal plane. So we have XY line here. This is the vertical plane as it is written here, and this is horizontal plane as it is written here. So this is the front view. This line A prime B prime is the front view of line AB, and this line AB is the top view of line AB. So these lines are equal in length, and they are true length of line AB, because line AB here is parallel to both the vertical plane and horizontal plane. So this is the true length of line AB, and this is also the true length of line AB. So take note of that. There is another thing that I want to let you know before I move to case 2 here. Now, we have some terms that we do use in these projections of straight lines. When you have a question that says that point A here is, let me take a measurement that this point A is 30 mm above the horizontal plane. So you may have a question like that, as we say that point A here, this point A is 30 mm above the horizontal plane. So if you look at, that means the distance from this point to this point is 30 millimeter. So this point is above the horizontal plane. So distance from here to here is 30 millimeters. Now if you look at this point here, it's also the same as this point on XY line. And this point that we have here, this point here is also the same as this point here. So whenever you want to take the measurement of that point, or point A that is above the horizontal plane, you take it on the vertical plane. What I mean is, you take a measurement of that distance from this point on XY line to this point on the vertical plane. That is when the question says that a point is at a particular distance above the horizontal plane. So you take it from XY line on the vertical plane. So, all right. So, and again, if the question says that this point A is, for example, 12 millimeters away or in front of the vertical plane, that means the distance of this point from the vertical plane is 12 millimeters. Now, if you look at this point, it's also the same as this point here on the horizontal plane. And this point here is also the same as this point on XY line. So for me to take the distance of point A in front of the vertical plane, I will take a measurement, that measurement from this XY line down to this point on the horizontal plane. So take note of that. All right. Now, this is case 1. Let's look at case 2. All right. So in this case 2, in case 2 here, we have case 2A and case 2B. In this case 2 now, we have this line AB here. This line AB that we have here. So this line AB, in this case 2A. So this line AB, it is parallel to the vertical plane and perpendicular to the horizontal plane. It is parallel to the vertical plane and perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So I believe you know that if I project a point from this point A here to the vertical plane, and from this point to the point B to the vertical plane, so this is A prime, this is B prime. If I join this line together, this will give me this line A prime, B prime will be the true length of line AB, because line AB is parallel to the vertical plane. But on the horizontal plane, we are going to have a dot on the horizontal plane as the top view of line AB. This is the front view of line AB. Line A prime, B prime is the front view of line AB. While the top view of line AB is a dot on the horizontal plane, because line AB is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So this is the pictorial view, while this is the orthographic view. So we have line A prime, B prime as the true length of line AB, but the top view, which is the front view of line AB, but the top view of line AB is a dot because line AB is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So take note of this. Now, what we have here in case 2B, this is case 2B, so it's the reverse of what we have in case 2A. So in this case, we have line AB. This line AB is parallel to the horizontal plane and perpendicular to the vertical plane. So in this case now, we have, by projecting a line from this point to this point on the horizontal plane, from this point B to this point on the vertical plane, on the horizontal plane, I have this point to be A, I have this point to be B. So if I join them together, this will give me the top view of line AB on the horizontal plane. And the line AB will be equal in length to this line AB here. And this will be the true length of line AB, because this line AB is parallel to the horizontal plane. But on the vertical plane, because line AB is perpendicular to the vertical plane, we are going to have a dot. And this dot is the front view of line AB. So take note of that. So this is the pictorial view. What we have here is pictorial view, and what we have here is the orthographic view. Now let's move to the next one. Now in this case, now we have case 3. So in this case 3, we have that a straight line AB is contained by horizontal plane. This straight line AB is contained by horizontal plane. So it is contained simply means that it lies on the horizontal plane. It lies on the horizontal plane, and then it's also inclined at an angle to the XY line. It is inclined at an angle to XY line, as we can see it here. So at this line AB is lying on the horizontal plane, and I want to draw the front view of this line. I'll be looking at it in this direction. So by projecting a line from this point to this point on XY line, and from this point B to this point on the XY line, I have this to be A prime, I have this to be B prime. So if I join them together, this line point A prime and B prime, if I join them together with a straight line, I will have the front view of this line AB. And it will be shorter. It will be shorter in length. It will be shorter in length than line AB itself, because this line AB is inclined at an angle theta to this XY line. So in this case, we have the front view of line AB on XY line. It is on XY line, and it is shorter in length. It is not equal to line AB. It is not the true length of line AB itself. Now this is the front view. For the top view of line AB, this is already the top view. So we don't have anything to do here. This is already the top view of line AB and the true length of line AB, because this line AB is lying, or it is contained on plane or on horizontal plane. So take note of that. So this is the pictorial view, and this is the orthographic view. So take note of that. So what we have here for case 3B is a reverse of what we have in case 3A. So just study this. So in this case, we now have the vertical plane, it contained line AB. That means line AB is lying on the vertical plane. Is lying on the vertical plane. So it's top. This is now the front view. The front view is this A prime, B prime, while the top view is AB here, and it is lying. The top view is lying on XY line. So this is pictorial view, and this is orthographic view. Now let's look at case 4. So case 4 now. So in this case 4, very, very important. You have to pay attention to this case 4. Now in this case 4 now, so we have that a straight line inclined to horizontal plane and parallel to the vertical plane. So we have straight line AB here. Straight line AB here. It is inclined at an angle. So if you look at it, so it is inclined at an angle to the horizontal plane. This is the angle. It's inclined at an angle to the horizontal plane, and it is parallel to the vertical plane. So if I want to draw the front view of this line AB, I will project a line from this point onto the vertical plane. This gives me point A prime on the vertical plane, and from this point I will project a line, and this gives me point B prime on the vertical plane. If I join them together, I will get the front view of line AB here. So this is the front view. A prime, B prime is the front view of line AB, and it's also equal in length to line AB. So A prime, B prime is equal in length to line AB, and this A prime, B prime is the true length of line AB. It is the true length of line AB because line AB is parallel to the vertical plane. Then if I want to draw the top view from this point, I will project a line down to this point on the horizontal plane, and then from this point B, I will project a line down to this point on the horizontal plane. By joining this point A and this point B together, it will give me a top view of line AB. And if you look at this line AB on the horizontal plane very well, you see that it is shorter in length. It is shorter in length, so it is not the true length of line AB. It is not the true length of line AB, so it is shorter in length than line AB itself. So this is the pictorial view, and this is the orthographic view. All right. Now, so then let's come to case 4b. So this is case 4b. So it's a reverse of what we have here in case 4a. So in this case, we have a straight line AB. It is parallel to the horizontal plane, and it is inclined at an angle to the vertical plane. So you should know that this line A prime, B prime is the front view on the vertical plane, and it is shorter in length than line AB itself, because this line AB is inclined at an angle to the vertical plane. So this line AB, it is parallel to the horizontal plane. So this line AB on the horizontal plane is the top view of line AB, and it is equal in length to line AB. So that means line AB on the horizontal plane is the true length of line AB here. So take note of that. So this is the pictorial view, and this is the orthographic view. Now, so we come to the last case here. So this is case 5. So in this case 5, we have a straight line that is inclined to both plane, to the vertical plane and to the horizontal plane. We have a straight line that is inclined to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. So this line AB, it is inclined at an angle to the vertical plane and also to the horizontal plane. So the front view of line AB here is shorter in length than line AB here. So the front view is shorter in length than line AB because line AB is inclined at an angle to the vertical plane, and also at the same time this line AB on the horizontal plane is shorter in length than line AB itself, because this line AB is inclined at an angle to the horizontal plane. So this is the pictorial view, and this is the orthographic view. So just study all these diagrams very well. So there are questions that we are going to solve with the use of these things that I have explained. So I believe you have listened, and by the time I'm solving questions on them, you actually you really understand what I said here. Thank you very much. God bless you.